Big Brother 27 continues to deliver shocking turns and strategic moves as the Week 10 head of household wasted no time in setting the tone for the week with their nominations. Fans who have been following the chaos of the season knew that this week would be critical because the house is quickly owing down to only the most resilient players. Alliances are being tested, secret deals are being exposed, and the HOH's decision has already sent ripples throughout the house. The latest spoilers confirm who ended up on the block, and reactions inside the game and among viewers have been explosive. Going into Week 10, the house guests were already on edge after a whirlwind double eviction and multiple blindsides that had everyone scrambling. Trust has been shattered, and the only certainty left is that no one is truly safe. The head of household competition crowned a winner who has been both underestimated and targeted at different points this season, making their victory all the more impactful. This player now holds the power to determine the course of the game, and the nominations they made will likely shape the end. Aim for Big Brother 27. Once the Who claimed their room and began their private conversations, it became clear that strategy would outweigh personal feelings. They spoke with nearly every house guest, weighing loyalty against opportunity, and carefully considering how each nomination would affect the bigger picture. The walls of the house seemed to be closing in on everyone, with paranoia reaching an all-time high, so every whisper and promise was under intense scrutiny. The two nominees chosen this week reflect both the HOH's desire to weaken a rival alliance and their need to protect their own aim. According to live feed updates and inside sources, the Who ultimately nominated two players who have been closely working together, signaling a direct strike at a duo that many fans believe could have coasted further if left unchecked. The decision sent shockwaves through the house almost instantly, with the nominees visibly shaken and the rest of the cast members reevaluating their positions in the game. Reactions varied widely. Some players praised the Who for finally taking a bold stance while others quietly expressed concern had the move might backfire. As is always the case with Big Brother, the nominations are just the first step, and the real battle comes with the power of veto competition. The nominees will be fighting harder than ever to save themselves, and depending on who wins the veto, the Who may have to concede the replacement nominee. If the veto is used, it could expose even more cracks in existing alliances, as backdoor possibilities have been floating around since the moment the Who was crowned. Fans watching live feeds have already noticed intense conversations about possible backdoor targets, and speculation is rampant about whether the Who might take the shot at one of the season's biggest threats if the opportunity presents itself. The Week 10 nominations also highlight just how fractured the house has become. The once strong alliances have now dissolved into smaller groups and individuals trying to cling to power. Trust is at its lowest point, and every house guest knows that they need to win competitions to secure their survival. This makes the upcoming veto even more crucial, not just for the nominees but for everyone who wants to avoid being the next pawn or target. Outside the house, Big Brother fans are buzzing with debate over whether the Who made the right choice. Some viewers argue that targeting the duo was long overdue and applaud the Who for taking the risk. Others believe that the move was short-sighted and may leave the Who vulnerable if the wrong person survives the block. Social media has been filled with passionate discussions, with many fans speculating about how jury members might view this decision when it comes time to vote for a winner. The nominees themselves are not giving up without a fight. Both of them have already begun campaigning, pulling house guests aside for one-on-one conversations and trying to secure votes just in case they remain on the block after veto. Their strategies differ, with one nominee leaning heavily on emotional appeals and loyalty, while the other is framing themselves as a shield who would always be a bigger target than the person keeping them. These campaigns could influence the week heavily, as swing votes will become more important than ever with the numbers dwindling. Another layer of drama comes from the fact that this week's Who is someone who has previously been seen as a floater by some fans. Winning this power has suddenly forced them into the spotlight, and the way they handle nominations, veto, and potential replacement decisions could completely redefine how they are perceived by both house guests and the jury. If they manage to pull off a successful week, they could go from underestimated player to respected strategist, but if their choices blow up, they might have painted a target on themselves moving forward. In terms of the bigger game picture, Week 10 marks a turning point. With only a handful of house guests left, every eviction counts more than ever. The lines between ally and enemy are blurred, and even the closest friendships in the house are showing signs of strain. The two nominees will fight with everything they have, but even if one survives, the damage done to their alliance may be irreparable. The HOH's decision is being hailed by some as one of the gutsiest moves of the season and by others as a reckless gamble that could change the outcome of Big Brother 27 entirely. As the week progresses, fans should expect more fireworks during the veto competition, 10 strategy sessions in the Ho Room, and possible betrayals that no one saw coming. With the finale looming closer, every choice matters, and this week's nominations may prove to be the catalyst or the final stretch of the game. For now, the nominees remain on the block, and all eyes turn to the veto. Will one of them save themselves and force the Ho to name a replacement? Will a shocking backdoor shake up the entire house? Or will the HOH's original plan hold steady, sending a major player out the door? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. Big Brother 27's Week 10 nominations have set the stage for a dramatic and unforgettable week of gameplay that could alter the course of the season forever. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.